bumpers off of a, well, I got the front and rear bumper off of 84 Jetta. I'm assuming they'll fit. Right now I'm just waiting for confirmation on Bernal Mark 1s to see if they actually will fit. Probably take this, but looks like it's been beat up quite a bit. Dash isn't too bad. Wonder if that would fit in the Mark 1. And I wonder if that would fit. Probably not. It's disgusting. Jesus Christ, that exploded like crazy. Oh my God, it's everywhere. It's all over me. If I could give you a little bit of a sense of what it smells like penetrating fluid, WD-40. Yeah, good times. Wow, that was an explosion. Kind of looks familiar. Yeah, mine aren't bubbly either. Okay, let's get the rest of this fluid out of here. Okay. Whoa! Holy shit! Can't say that wasn't me the other night. Holy crap. I don't know if you guys saw that. Kind of exploded. Tad dramatic. Oh! Yeah, she's coming along, if you know what I mean. Put a light out here. Oh, plugged in the wrong plug. Okay. Get a little bit more explosions going on here. Oh. Got a squirter. Ooh. It's a lot of fun. I like this. It's fun. Whoa. Shit. Don't stand on it, guys. Bloopers. Okay. I'm gonna press down on it. You guys can see. Camera's a little bit foggy because it's got splooge all over it, but feel that. What are you moving about? Dog's wanting to shop. Okay. See, this one's a little too high here. Decent. Okie dokie. That's what I got. Not a front bumper. But okay. Yeah. That is racist. Oh, sexist. And this is the rear bumper. I squished all the hydraulic bullshit out of there, even though it's there to save your life. And it kind of looks good. What do you think? Well, catch you on the flip side, homeboys. Do a little bit of a walk around here. Yep. Yep, it's kind of flush. Okay, I'm gonna go to the front side here. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Now we got these two dildos sticking out the front. Okay. I'm leaving now.